Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Steve's Bio Simplified. Today we are going to practice some important questions from chapter The Living Organisms. Here we have a set of 10 questions today. Okay, let's get started. Let's see our first question. Which of the following is the relatively most accurate method for dating of fossils? Option A, radiocarbon method. Option B, potassium argon method. Option C, electron spin resonance method. Option D, uranium lead method. Electron spin resonance or ESR method is the most accurate method for dating of fossils. So the correct answer for this question is C. Okay, next question. Which one of the following is categorized under living fossils? Option A, Selaginella. Option B, Pinus. Option C, Cycas. Option D, Metasicosa. Explanation part. Order Cycadales includes both living and fossil members which are originated in the upper Triassic period of the early Mesozoic era. The family Cycadaceae of this order has 10 living and 1 fossil genera. Cycads come under living genera and has one long writing history. So it is also known as living fossil. And the correct answer for this question is C, Cycads. Okay, let's see our next question. According to Operian, which one of the following was not present in the primitive atmosphere of the Earth? Option A, methane. Option B, oxygen. Option C, hydrogen. Option D, water vapor. According to Operian, the atmosphere of primitive Earth was reducing because H atoms were most numerous and most reactive. Large quantities of H2N2 water vapor, CO2, CH4 and NH3 were present, but free oxygen was not present in significant amount. So the correct option is B, oxygen. Okay, let's see our next question. Which one of the following is an example of negative feedback loop in humans? Option A, constriction of skin, blood vessels and contraction of skeletal muscle when it is too cold. Option B, secretion of tears after falling of sand particles into the eye. Option C, salivation of mouth at the sight of delicious food. Option D, secretion of sweat glands and constriction of skin blood vessels when it is too hot. Option A is the correct answer for this question. Next question. Animals have the innate ability to escape from predation. Example for the same are given below. Select the incorrect example. Option A, color change in chameleon. Option B, enlargement of body size by swallowing air in pufferfish. Option C, poison fangs in snakes. Option D, melanism in moths. Animal resist predation by cryptic coloration, deceptive marking, behavioral differences and the possession of mechanical or chemical defenses. Example, enlargement of body size by swallowing air in pufferfish, melanism in moths and color change in chameleon. So the incorrect statement given here is C, that is poison fangs in snakes. So next question. Organisms which obtain energy by the oxidation of reduced inorganic compounds are called. Option A, photoautotrophs. Option B, chemoautotrophs. Option C, saprozoic. Option D, coproheterotrophs. Explanation part. The organisms obtaining energy by chemical reactions independent of light are called chemotrophs. The reductants obtained from the environment may be inorganic in case of chemoautotrophs or organic in case of chemoheterotrophs. Photoautotrophic organisms make their own food by photosynthesis using the light energy. Saprozoic organisms obtain food from dead and decaying matter. So the correct answer is B, that is chemoautotrophs. Okay, next question. First life on earth was option A, cyanobacteria. Option B, chemoheterotrophs. Option C, autotrophs. Option D, photoautotrophs. First living beings were formed in the environment of sea having abundant organic molecules. They absorbed the organic materials for the sake of nutrition and hence were chemoautotrophs. So the right one is B, that is chemoheterotrophs. Okay, next question. Barophilic prokaryotes, option A, grow slowly in highly alkaline frozen lakes at high altitudes. Option B, occur in water containing high concentration of barium hydroxide. Option C, grow and multiply in very deep marine sediments. Option D, readily grown and divides in seawater enriched in any soluble salt of barium. Actually, barophilic prokaryotes grow and multiply in very deep marine sediments. So the correct option is C. Okay, let's see our next question. The living organism can be exceptionally distinguished from the non-living things on the basis of their ability for option A responsiveness to touch, option B interaction with the environment and progressive evolution, option C reproduction, option D growth and movement. Option B interaction with the environment and progressive evolution is the correct answer for this question. So that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe and share.